Hello again folks. Ever wondered how to decode one of these without using a notch decoder like you see everybody use? Well, I'll show you. Let's roll the intros and we'll get to it. Right then, so somebody came round to do some wiring and he saw all the locks and we got talking, and then he asked if I could decode one of these. Now I've seen the master lock ones where people use a bit of paper, so I said, yeah, bring it round, I'll have a look. Now this isn't like that, so that didn't work. So I had to go online. I'll just tell you a little story about it. So, get my phone on. Obviously this is master one. I've seen decoded. If you've seen the videos, you'll see for on the inside of the code wheel, you've got another little wheel and it's got a flat bit, and you drop a piece of paper down. And when you get the flat bit, you know that's the number. Instead of getting a notch decoder, where you get a piece of metal in, it's got a little notch in and you can pull the bar up at the back like you see lockpick and Swuire do. I didn't have a notch decoder. I did look at Fish Pick's video on making one, but I didn't want to ruin this this little tool what was kindly sent to me by Greyhound. So where are we? Like I say, I went online. I went on YouTube. Here we go. And obviously I saw the lockpicking Swuire. It uses a notch decoder, and then that one was on using a piece of paper for the master lock. That's the Max one on the piece of paper. So anyway, I was about to give up hope, and I was having a feel around, and while I was moving the wheels around, I did notice this has got a different mechanism in it. Master lock's got a flat side, like I say, but this seems to have like a little notch on the side of the wheel. So if you're very, very careful using the corner of this tool, you can find that notch and then find the number. So we're going to try and do that today. So I've got Mrs. Picks with me, because there we are, magic hands. So she's going to reset the combination for me to something I don't know, and then we'll try and do that because again, I see people do all this and they turn it round, but I've tried that a few times and I can't get it dead on the number, and it makes life a nightmare. So it's open. I have picked it. Like I say, electrician asked me to do this, so I'm going to get it done on film and then get it back to him. In fact, I might even make a notch decoder out of some feeler gauge and pick it with that as well, and then do that. Get the most out of the lock, eh? So it's currently on 1286, as we can see, and that works fine. We can reset it by flicking, there we go, this switch here over to here. So that's like so. We're now going to lock it up. Oh no, we're not. We're going to pass it to Mrs. Picks to put a new combination in. So 1286. We've seen it working. So I'll just hand it over and she can...
to do this over here. Can you see that?
I can't see what combination you're putting in.
Well, no, obviously. That defeats the object of the exercise, doesn't it?
I'll look away as well. Not
Well,
that
no.
anyone can believe me, but I'm
Well,
looking away.
You still can't see this side of the lock.
Well,
can
no,
you?
I know.
So...
I'm just trying to, you know.
All right. Oh, I should have set it to.
I'm behind under the table. That's it, and then you flick that switch back.
Yeah.
And then close it. And scramble all the wheels, please.
Of course.
Okay. So, what did we say the old combination was? 1286 was it? I think. I can't remember. I don't need to do this because I just forget the numbers.
Sounds about right, although I can't remember either.
So, let's just use
Won't you fat sausage fingers do it?
no. 1, 2. Eight, 6. That's what the old code was, I believe. And that is locked. So, what do we do? What do we do? I'll show you what we do. We get this little piece of metal, and we're going to go down the side of a wheel in there and push down to the centre line, where that line is, you see. So we're going to go in there and just brush across the wheel. Let's see, don't forget you can zoom in on your devices and move this wheel number by number. That one's a 3, you see, that just dropped in. And move to the next wheel. That one's a 1, I think. I'll say it's a 1. It'll be funny if I do it and it won't open, won't it?
I'll laugh so hard.
She does, she just laughs her ass off at me. Thing on to 0, and there the last one. So yeah, I thought I'd do it on a Sunday because it's a Squire, so it's a Squire Sunday with a difference, really. And a 2, I believe, maybe. There we go. Decoded. New code is 2013.
Any year of significance?
I've got a feeling that's when we got married.
It is indeed, my dear.
So anyway, panic. So yeah, yeah, hope that pleased you all. Nearly shit my pants. So anyway, that's how we pick a combination lock. What isn't the paper method anyway? If you forget your combination, that's how you can do it, and it's also a good reason why you should not buy one of these, because they're junk. That's it for now, folks. Take care. See you soon. Bye for now.